Good evening, everyone. A quick bullish scenario I'm seeing here on the BTCUSD. And since my last publication on the 19th of April, we were able to lock in some profit as price moved around 2,100 pips before it came back to our entry point. So I am still seeing a bullish, I'm still expecting a bullish scenario for the BTC USD. On the daily time frame, the first thing we look at, we notice is that there is the bullish trend line, which I also emphasized during my last analysis on this pair. And this goes like this. Give me a moment. Let me make it more clearer. Okay. So we have something like this on let's just put it around here. Excuse me. And as we can see, since the since the crash that started late last year, we saw that price it since price hit 34,000, we've been seeing a rejection of this area transposing into a trend line, and right now price is back on that trend line where we see um, a series of indices happening in the market, hereby forming a consolidation phase that awaits either a breakout or a breakdown in the nearest future. The second thing we want to identify here is where our key level is at. And if we look closely and we look left, we'll notice that this area at let me say 39,500, 40,000 area has been an area where we either witness a retest, sorry, a resistance, as you can see, or a support at one point in time, like you can see at this area. And in the month of September, we had it here, and in the month of January, we had one here, and in the month of February, we had a resistant here. Likewise, in the month of March and April, we had resistant level here. And now, lately, in the month of April, we've been having a support around this area, which is giving me the suggestion that sellers are finding it difficult to push the price below the 40,000 area thereabout. So, in this regard, I would like to identify a key level around this area, considering the strength of price, the significance of price action in that area since middle of last year. So here we go at exactly 39,500 area. So allow me to label this. So we have this area at 39,500. No. Allow me to put this in the middle so that it will not affect. Sorry, no, at the top, at the center. I think it's best at the center. Good. So if we move if we move to the lower time frame, we begin to see things more clearly. On the lower time frame, right above the bullish trend line is the rejection of the key level multiple times during the course of this month. As you can see, price continue to reject this key level, and this is happening the last 24 hours thereabout. And what does this tell us? What does this insinuate? This tells us that this is a significant demand zone at this juncture in the market. So I like to place my demand zone green, Let me make this more lighter, and let's label it to give it a more sense of clarity. Demand zone. Place this in the middle where we painted green. Good. So this is our demand zone here, and if you can see, if you look closely, we notice that we continue to see structure that supports, that insinuates a reversal structure at this area. So with this being said, it is more safer at this juncture on the market to actually execute a trade at this point. However, to be on the more safer side, I'm looking at breaking out of this consolidation phase area before I enter this trade. So placing an order at around 40,000 zone. Let me scale down to one hour time frame so that we can have a clearer look of what is happening in the market. Now, as you can see, following this impulse leg that started on the 21st of April, we saw price continue to reject this area, hereby making this area a very, very strong demand zone, as you can see. So that being said, we have a what? An indecision phase here, and that's a consolidation phase for us at this point. So I want to be looking out for a breakout of this consolidation phase that might give us a signal and a retest into this area, a confirmation to moving to the upside. So in that regard, I've placed a pending order right at 40,000 area, and they're looking at the take profit target at around, at least our first take profit target around 41,400, and that's around 1,400 pips thereabout. You can extend it to 41,500 area. I'm putting our stop loss right below this key level area. Give me a moment. To even make it more safer, say let's see what's happening here. We have a resistant level here at 41,000. We have a resistant level at 41,900. So so let's put it at 42,000, and let's put it at 42,000. And as price action move, we we try as much as possible to lock in some profit should, in case price want to return to the downside. So with our stop loss right below structure at exactly below the key level, we anticipate a bullish momentum in the nearest future. So I would like to pause the video here, and let's see how price reacts, and whatever happened during the course of the day, I would keep you updated at the comment section on my TradingView account. Thank you and good night.